Alright, so this is a look at the Cousper case for the iPad Air for the 4th or 5th generation. Now this case comes in many different colors, but I like the lilac version, so I got that one. And it fits it very well. Now would I say it's like a life proof or one of those heavy sturdy ones where it's indestructible? No, but this is if you have light use, nothing you need to be indestructible for. So what's great is that when you open and close the top, it does turn the iPad off or turn it back on whether or not you're opening it or not. And it has a great way to hold your Apple Pencil while keeping with a minimalist design. It even allows you to put the pencil in a very ready to use position while you're drawing or anything like that. You can use this to put it up a little bit if you want like a brief incline when drawing or taking notes or maybe even watching something. It's soft and flexible that way. This is very easy to install because it's like a very thick kind of plastic rubber material here. So it can bend. You could pop your iPad out if you need to for whatever reason, like that, or pop it right back in, and it's good to go. All right, that's a look at the Cousper case for the iPad 5th and 4th generation Air.